This video will cover our top 4 solar power banks for off-grid use and give real-world scenarios where these devices will come into your plan for staying prepared and staying safe. Please make sure you like, subscribe to this channel, and ring the bell to get notified when new content is available. We at DeVault Prepping believe that building a robust and reliable source of information for your preparedness, and you can help us grow by sharing with your friends. Now, let's get into it and stay till the end to get all the details you will need. In a time when uncertainty is the norm, ensuring access to power during off-grid scenarios has become more crucial than ever. Whether you're bugging out in the wilderness, preparing for grid-down scenarios, or simply enjoying a weekend camping trip, having a reliable source of energy can mean the difference between comfort and chaos. Solar power banks have emerged as essential tools for anyone looking to maintain their devices and stay connected, even when the grid fails. These compact power solutions harness the sun's energy, allowing you to recharge your gadgets and keep critical communication lines open. When choosing the best solar power bank for off-grid use, several key factors must be considered. The first is battery capacity, which is typically measured in milliamp hours, mAh. A higher capacity means more power stored for your devices, but it's essential to balance this with portability. Next, solar charging speed is crucial. Some models can take hours in direct sunlight to recharge fully, while others may be faster. Durability is another vital aspect, especially for outdoor adventures. Look for water and shock-resistant designs. The number and type of output ports also matter, as you'll want to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Lastly, consider helpful extras such as built-in flashlights or wireless charging capabilities that can enhance the overall utility of the power bank. Now, let's delve into the top 4 solar power banks that stand out in the crowded market, each catering to different needs. First up is the Anker PowerPort Solar Light, a lightweight and compact option perfect for hikers and backpackers. With a capacity of 15,000 mAh, it can charge a smartphone multiple times. Its dual USB ports allow for simultaneous charging, but its solar charging speed is relatively slow, making it best for those who can afford to wait for a full charge in the sun. Next, the RAV Power 24,000 mAh solar power bank is a robust choice for base camps or longer excursions. This powerhouse can charge multiple devices at once and features a rugged design that withstands the elements. It also includes a built-in flashlight, which is handy for nighttime use. However, its weight and bulkiness might be a drawback for those seeking a lightweight solution. For urban preppers, the Big Blue 28-value solar charger is an excellent option. While it doesn't have a built-in battery, its high-efficiency solar panels allow for rapid charging of devices directly from the sun. With 4 USB ports, it's ideal for families or groups. However, without an integrated battery, it requires direct sunlight to function, making it less versatile in shaded environments. Lastly, the Nectec 21W solar charger stands out for its balance of portability and performance. With a slim design and a total output of 21 W, this solar charger can rapidly power devices and features 2 USB ports for simultaneous charging. Its durability makes it suitable for various outdoor activities, but like the Big Blue, it relies heavily on direct sunlight, so it's not a standalone power solution. While solar charging speeds can be impressive, it's crucial to set realistic expectations. Most solar power banks are best viewed as a backup charging method rather than a primary source. On sunny days, you might see a full charge within a few hours, but on cloudy days or during winter months, the process can take significantly longer. Incorporating solar power banks into your prepper kit is straightforward. Always keep your power bank charged and consider pairing it with folding solar panels for enhanced efficiency. This combination allows you to harness solar energy more effectively, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. As you contemplate your off-grid readiness, remember that solar power banks are more than just gadgets. They are lifelines in times of need. Equip yourself with the knowledge of these essential tools and explore additional resources to further enhance your understanding. Embrace the power of the sun and ensure you're always ready, no matter what the world throws your way. Thank you for watching the video to the end, and hopefully you can leave any comments or your own suggestions in the comments section. You can check the description section of this video to check pricing, compare products, and purchase any of the products that have been discussed in this video. Also, check out our website at devaultprepping.com for additional blogs and information to help with your prepping. Stay safe, be prepared, and be informed.